Very good morning, students. We are moving to next part, that is the life in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Where it is? It is here in India. So we have seen where is Ganga river and where is Brahmaputra river in 6th standard. Then also once again let us see this. This is the Ganga river, and we can see many branches. And this is the Brahmaputra river that also have some of the branches. It is coming Brahmaputra river coming going to Bangladesh, coming through India and going to Bangladesh and reaching to Bay of Bengal. And here we can see one of the branch, it is coming to western side and reaching to touching to Ganga river, and Ganga river going down to, in West Bengal and reaching to Bay of Bengal. So this is this area altogether we will call it Ganga Brahmaputra basin because of the presence of water every time. Then the life, different types of animals, birds and trees and the ecosystem of that area altogether we can see. Okay, the tributaries of the rivers Ganga and Brahmaputra together form the Ganga Brahmaputra basin in Indian subcontinent, and picture already we have discussed. The basin lies in the subtropical region that is situated between 10 degree north to 30 degree north. So what we have seen Amazon river, it was 10 degree north to 10 degree south. Here 10 degree north to 30 degree north means the subtropical region. It is this area, it is known as the subtropical region. Again look at the picture. This is 1 minute. Okay, here it is 20 degree, here it is 20 degree, and it is coming reaching to 32 degree, like that we can suppose 10 degree to 32 degree. And we can see, if we are looking to the some of the tributaries or some of the small tributaries, it is coming to down to Madhya Pradesh also. Again it is helping other rivers also. Okay, canal system and then the deltas and other things altogether, it is coming the area, it is coming 10 degree north to 30 degree north. In other words, we can say 20 degree north to 30 degree north, and that is known as the subtropical region. The tributaries of the Ganga river like Garha, the Sun and the Chambal and the Gadak and the Koshi, the tributaries of Brahmaputra drain it. Look at the atlas and find names of these tributaries. Here it is not given the river's name, tributaries name, and if you are taking the atlas or before we studied one river map. Okay, I will send the river map separately. You can see in that the name of the rivers what we discuss in the textbook, that you can find out in that. Okay, then the plains of Ganga and Brahmaputra and the mountains and the foothills of the Himalaya and the Sundarbans delta are the main features of this basin. So not only one type, we can see different types of physical features here. First one, plain area which is made with the help of Brahmaputra and Ganga river. Then mountains are there. When it is coming to the northeastern side, we can see here small hills are there, and it is also helping to give water to Brahmaputra river. Then the foothills of the Himalayas, that is the outer layer of Himalaya, it is known as Shivaliks, means it is coming the downside of the, here it is coming the Shivaliks, and that Shivaliks, that one also the footer hills of the Himalaya, and Sundarban deltas where it is made in the parts of Bangladesh as well as and Bengal together we can see the Sundarban delta, and it is made with the help of Ganga and Brahmaputra river. Then Oxbow lakes dot in the plain area, and the area is dominated by the monsoon climate, and because of the river is bringing so much of alluvial soil from the hills, so it is what is happening, the course of the river it will change a little bit, and there unknowing there it is forming the Oxbow lakes, like the small lakes it will forming here, because through this way the river was moving, and the deposits deposited here in the both side, and one side of the this one water will accumulated in there, and it is forming a small lakes that is known as the oxbow lakes, and in other way the water will move next time. Then slowly in other area also it will form like that. It is, we can see in many area what type of lakes, oxbow lakes. Then the dominated climate, that is the monsoon climate. The monsoon brings rains from mid-June to mid-September, and here in southern India we are getting the monsoon rain from starting of June and ending with end of September, and there in that area, in the northern plain area, they are getting the rain from June mid of June to mid of September. Then the summers are hot and the winter is cool, and that area summer is very hot, it is reaching above 40 degree, and winter is cool, and that is coming to minus degrees. So that is the climate. So we can see variation in the climate, and in the summer season it is going more than 40, 45 like that, 46 like that, and in the rainy season it is coming ordinary climate and much of water. Then again in winter season it is going to minus, that is sometimes minus 10, minus 3 like that, that is varies day to day, like that is the condition of climate of Ganga Brahmaputra basin. How we studied about the climate of Amazon, there it is hot and wet climate, every day it is cloudy, and at the same time it is very hot, it is reaching to 95 degree, means here if you are saying in Indian situation, we can see 35 to 38 degree every day, not like a northern this one what summer season. And because of this summer season, what is happening, the Himalayan snow, it is melting and the river is filling with water again. Look at the map of India, figure 8.8, and find out the states in which the Ganga and Brahmaputra basin lies. And if you are looking here, we can see that one, Himachal Pradesh, then it is coming UP, parts of Haryana, then parts of Rajasthan, parts of Madhya Pradesh, then comes Bihar, then West Bengal, then Arunachal Pradesh, Assam. These are the Indian state which is included, and other countries it is included in Nepal, then we can see Bangladesh. These three countries, and even China. China is also included in Brahmaputra, it is coming through China. So four what we can say countries, Nepal, China, Nepal, then Brahmaputra and Bangladesh, like that four countries. Then some of the states also we are sharing water of Ganga river and Brahmaputra river. Then the basin areas are very we already discussed different types of, it is foot hills are there, plain areas are there, oxbow lakes are there, like that many things, different types of topography we can see in this basin area. The environment plays a dominant role in the distribution of the population. According to the environment, if it is the plain area, population will be much more there, and if we are going to the marshy land, the population will be less because they can't build their houses there. And if we are going again to the foothills of the Himalaya, that also difficult. Other mountains, there also it is difficult. So the plain area we can see maximum population. So what we are saying, the environment, climate is more or less same. Some monsoon rains, then winter and hot summer, everything it is same. But the topography, it is playing a major role. The mountain areas with the steep slopes have inhospitable terrain. There we can't predict like that when a landslide will happen because of the heavy rain in the monsoon season. So it is very difficult to make houses there. Therefore, less number of people live in the mountain areas of the Ganga and Brahmaputra basin. The plain area provides the most suitable land for human habitation. The soil is fertile. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people where flat land is available to grow So in Amazon we have seen they are cutting, they are following shifting cultivation. Here in the plain area already we cleared, so no need to think about the shifting cultivation, and very fertile soil like Amazon, plain area, same condition here also. So many people they are living there in this Ganga Brahmaputra plain, and reason is very fertile soil, and so people can make use for growing crops. The density of the population of the plain is very high, and if you are looking to India, UP is the highest populated state, and density of population also very high, and the total area UP is big state, and at the same time total population also more. And if how we can understand that one in Lok Sabha election time, when we are electing our MPs, that time each and every state it is divided into different constituencies in the name of according to the population. So UP having 80 seats out of when we are looking to Tamil Nadu, we are having only 39 seats, constituency seats are there, and from UP it is 80. The next one it is coming the Maharashtra with the 45, then West Bengal with is a small area, but the total constituency it is 42. So when we are comparing that from that we can understand the population is very high in UP area. Then next one, main the density of the population of the plain is very high. The main crop is paddy were in this Brahmaputra Ganga basin area, and other areas which is not included like half part of Haryana and little bit part of UP, then Punjab, that area we can see they are growing wheat more, and this area we can see people they are depending on paddy cultivation. Since cultivation of paddy requires sufficient water, it is grow in the areas where its amount of rainfall is high and the river water is available, that area only, and other areas they are cultivating wheat and other crops. Wheat, maize, sorghum, gram and millets are the other crops that are grown. Cash crops like sugarcane and jute also grown. Banana plantations are seen in some areas of the plain. In West Bengal and Assam, tea is the grown in the plantation because of the presence of hills. And silk is produced through the cultivation of silkworms in parts of Bihar and Assam. In the mountains and hills where the slopes are gentle, crops are grown on the terrace. If it is the gentle slope, we can cultivate it. That area we are cultivating using the terrace cultivation and cultivating tea plantations. We can see there, especially in Assam area, and even Bihar and Bengal area we can see tea gardens. So they are having we said about the major production or crops that are wheat, maize, sorghum, gram, millets, etc., and other crops like cash crops like sugarcane and jute, that especially in the Bengal, Bihar region we are producing maximum jute in that area. Then sugarcane everywhere in UP, MP, they was producing sugarcane. Nowadays it is becoming less because of the sugarcane is growing very nicely in the Deccan Plateau. So many companies they shifted their company to Deccan side because of the presence of sucrose in the sugarcane. Then that is the one of the change what we can say nowadays. Then next one we can see tea plantations, banana plantations, then silk production. These are the major crops of this basin. Then the vegetation cover of the area varies according to the type of the landform. Different landforms are there, that's why that vegetation also, natural vegetation also different from one to one. Okay, we will continue in next video.